Welcome to this video, online business owners and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a sales funnel completely from scratch. So how to go from having nothing to having a complete sales funnel that is going to be able to sell your products and services automatically for you. So I'm going to share with you 3 of the most important steps when it comes to building that funnel and how you can go from that initial stage to actually launching your funnel and setting it up for success. So number 1, you need to plan. You need to gain clarity about your funnel before you do anything else. So plan it all out, have a map or outline, draw it out, use a software program, but have a good plan that you could visualize in your mind and put it onto paper or into, some sort of software so that you can actually see how your funnel will look. Number 2, and probably one of the most important things, is writing the copy. Now, this is what's going to sell your potential customers on your specific product or service. Doesn't matter if you're selling low ticket or high ticket, this applies to you because writing the copy is one of the most important parts. If you can connect with prospects and sell them on your product and service, then they are going to buy from you. So write the copy is step number 2. Number 3, the final step is to actually design the funnel. So grab your plan, grab your copy, and put it all together with the design. So bring it all together and place everything you've created into your funnel. Now, this is the part that's going to take you the longest, but do this well and you'll have a funnel that's ready to go and sell your products and services at a very, very high rate. Hope you enjoyed this video and got a lot of value out of it. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another value-packed video just like this. I hope this has helped you go from being stuck and not really knowing what you're going to do and how you're going to launch your funnel to now being able to follow this step-by-step process on how you can go from the initial planning phase to the launch stage. Me and my team here at Funnel Built have created a funnel checklist which runs you through the exact steps you need to go from that initial stage to launching that funnel. It goes into a bit more depth than I have gone here because I wanted to keep this video fairly short, but that's going to be also a link in the description you can click on and grab for free right now. Now, that's a limited time offer, so grab that quickly and we'll see you on the other side there. But if you're looking for a funnel that's completely done for you and that's going to attract customers and sell them on your products and services without you having to constantly go on sales calls, all that stuff, then click the link below, visit our website to learn more. I'm your host, Alex, the founder and CEO of Funnel Built, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.